Oh, I got my first good bite of the morning. I'm just not sure if he's on there. He is. It's just not very big is all. Yeah. Just a small little dark colored carp. Not what we're after this morning. Just a little guy. But we're on the board. That's a better fish. That's a better fish. Oh, that was a better fish. Oh no, there he goes. He's putting up a fight again. That's a cod. There we go. 3 trips, 3 cod. Yes. All right. Another trip down here and another cod. He's not huge, but he put up a pretty good battle. Very nice. We'll get him back. And away he goes. Yes. Well, good day everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I am back at the noisy spot, or as I'm going to call it, my new favorite fishing spot. You see, there's 3 trips down here. All 3 times I've landed a cod. Caught more cod here in the last 2 weeks than I've caught all season. And yeah, so it's been fantastic. It is noisy, but it's actually relaxing as well. Watching the birds just mess around, it's pretty cool. Another decent hit. It's not huge, but he's trying. It's on the bottom. I got a feeling it's a carp. It is. It's the biggest one of the day, though. And he's feisty. He's still feisty. So, there we go. That is the biggest carp of the day so far. Another good hit. Oh, did I lose him? Oh, he's still there. He's coming in easy though. He hit it good, but he's coming in too easy. That's another carp. About 40 centimeters or so. Another decent size. He put up a good fight. I'm just using cheese now. I was trying not to catch the carp and just target the cod, but looks like these guys are going to eat anything this morning. These 2 guys have been down here almost the entire time I've been here. I haven't fed them. They're just hanging around, just waiting for something. Keeping me company. It's just not taking long. It's hitting the water and boom. Well, the cheese isn't keeping the carp away, which is too bad. A little smaller than the last couple. That's another one for the total for the year. Another little guy. Maybe not so little. He's kind of going over this way. He's trying to fight. Well, it's a carp on cheese kind of day. He's not very big, but he battled well. There we go. There you go. Hits the water and boom! There we go. And we got him. Feels a little better. That feels a little... No, I don't know. He's coming in too easy. Oh, that's why. There's two. Boom, boom. Yes. There we go. Little chunky one was on top. And the little guy that didn't want to miss out was on the bottom. Oh, another one that's not very big. I cannot believe how many carp I've caught off of cheese. But there is another one. He's pretty dark in color, but he's not very big. Yeah. Hooked into another. There we go. I would guess this guy's got some size just by the pull. Not huge by any means, but he's the biggest carp of the day. There we go. He is the biggest of the day, both in length and girth. So not too bad. It's been a good morning. Well, that's all she wrote for today. I am out of bait. So I have no idea how many I caught. I caught the one cod carp, just a ton. So not sure. Appreciate you watching, and until next time, keep fishing.